If the auto rotation feature is not working on your iPhone, even though you try to rotate your iPhone and it's not rotating the screen on there, I'm going to show you a couple different things you can do to definitely get that fixed. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is there's certain apps that you can rotate. So I'm in Safari, and if I turn my phone like this, it should rotate, but it's not. However, if I hop out of here, keep in mind there's certain apps, and on your home screen, you cannot rotate it. So no matter what, there is no rotate option on your normal home screen on your phone. And this applies to some other apps as well. But if you want to enable that auto rotation, all we need to do is make sure it's turned off, the lock is turned off, by taking your finger from the top right and swiping down. You're going to look for this icon, the lock with the little circle around it. Tap on it and you'll see portrait orientation lock is off. Now, if I open up Safari, I should be able to turn it like this and it will rotate. And I can turn it back like this and it will rotate. But again, this won't work on the home screen. If you're still having issues with the orientation not rotating, let's do a force restart that almost always fixes it. So to do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. I'll show you how to do that. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Just keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. You're going to hold it until you see an Apple logo appear. So eventually your iPhone screen will go black, and then wait for an Apple logo. And when you see that Apple logo, you can release your fingers, and that should fix that portrait orientation lock. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.